Hi, I'm Lukas Armstrong, Principal at Stand Architecture. We're at the new Chamber of Commerce building in Castlegar, BC. This building is one of the first public institutional buildings in Canada to combine mass timber construction with Passive House certification. In this video, we're going to be discussing Passive House design strategies. These are the design considerations that we use to help a building get to certification. These strategies include continuous insulation, so the insulation wraps over the entire envelope. And in that process, we eliminate all thermal bridges, so we have no structure poking through that envelope. And we combine that with high-performance windows and doors. In the development of that envelope, we also ensure that there's an airtight layer, an airtight membrane that's kind of like Gore-Tex. And that membrane allows for vapor to move through the wall, so the building kind of breathes without letting liquid moisture get into the wall, which causes degradation. Once you have an airtight building, you have to have fresh air exchange. And so we use an HRV that captures heat from the outgoing air and gives it to the incoming air, and that allows for a high degree of efficiency. When you're starting to design the building, you want to pay attention to the orientation of the building, how it faces the sun, and the form of the building. Make sure it's not too complicated with too many complex jigs and jogs in the wall system. You want to aim the building at the sun so you have a lot of daylight and solar gain, which is part of the heating system, and try to minimize the amount of glazing that is on the north and east and west sides. In doing that, you want to pay attention to shading. Some buildings need more shading than others, but you don't want to have too much sun coming in the summertime. And lastly, you want to pay attention to your hot water production and distribution. So you want a really efficient tank, and you want to place that tank close to the fixtures. If you combine all those strategies, you can easily reach Passive House certification.